Like I said,
That's prior restraint, sir. What's your name and badge number?
Deputy Coxville.
Badge number?
32.
32.
If a cop pulls you over and they're violating your rights, they start to search your vehicle without giving them permission, they have an attitude with you, they're trying to intimidate you, wouldn't you want an auditor or a cop watcher standing there with the camera recording this incident so that you can have proof of what the cop is doing? If you're not going to pull out your phone and start recording yourself, then having an auditor there is your second best option. Cops absolutely hate accountability and transparency. They don't like to be recorded. It was an uphill battle getting cops to wear body cams. Now it's an uphill battle getting that body cam footage. The people have no choice but to get out there and start recording the police to hold them accountable for their actions. And folks, before we watch the video, I want you guys to know and understand that freedom of press is part of the First Amendment. You don't need a press pass. You don't need credentials. Just like you don't need a religion pass to go to church. You guys, make sure you go subscribe to Razor City Observer's channel. Let him know that I sent you. I think he handles himself well. He's not even being rude to this cop. I'm going to drop his original channel link in the description and in the pinned comment for you guys as always. Without further ado, folks, let's get right to the video.
What the fuck are you doing, bro?
Hanging
Are you
out,
serious? Are you gotta be kidding me, bro. That's prior restraint, bro.
I'm not stopping.
Do you know what that is? You're getting in my way.
Hanging out.
That's prior restraint.
I'm free, man.
I'm letting you know. I'm letting you know that's prior restraint, bro. I'm putting you on notice right now.
Like I said,
That's prior restraint, sir. What's your name and badge number?
Deputy Coxville.
Badge number?
32.
32. It's prior restraint, bro.
I'm not standing here.
It's the you're
I can't stand where I want.
you're oh my gosh.
In front of you, in front of my officer.
This is the First Amendment, you know that, right?
You bang, man.
Do you understand the First Amendment?
Video me all day.
It's prior restraint.
Video me all day.
2 cameras, buddy.
Get it?
Yeah, we're getting it. Getting you trying to violate people's rights. Coxville. 32. Dude, that was the worst thing you could have done.
Stand in front of my
Standing in front of my camera. Impeding my First Amendment right, bro. Look it up, man. You're the law enforcement officer, bro. You should know.
Wherever I want to
You
stand.
should know.
I can stand wherever I want
You're
to
not
stand.
blocking his.
I can block yours. I can stand in front of his, man. You're videoing. I'm not stopping your camera.
Yeah, you are. You're
I'm
getting
not
in the
stopping
way. You're
Stand in front of my office.
You're violating my rights, bro.
I'm not violating shit, man.
Yeah, you are. Oh, now you're cussing.
I can stand
Great,
all day.
great attitude, bro.
You're
Great
not
attitude.
doing something, man.
I'm not out here cussing. No, I'm not. I'm telling you that
I'm
you're
telling
messing
you,
up.
Man, I'm at our traffic stop right now, man. You guys are getting awful close. You pressed the issue.
You're the one that came up to me, bro.
Yeah, you pressed. You guys are the ones that pressed the issue. You're here.
This is our First Amendment right to be here.
Awful close to their vehicle too. You
It-
don't need to be close to their vehicle.
There's nothing going on right here. You already searched it.
You sure can, man.
Then get the hell out of the way.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay between you and
Yeah,
them.
man, you're blowing it right now. I'm just letting you know.
Oh shit, man. I'm staying
You're
between you
blowing
and
it.
them.
You suck right now at your job.
Oh man, good for you.
Yeah, good for me. This has been itching your ass for a while, huh?
I'll do it.
Yeah, it's been itching at you for a while, ain't it?
You know what?
All this and they didn't even find
dude,
anything.
The majority of the time, it's you guys escalating bullshit.
Yeah, 100%, bro. You just did it, bro. Nobody said a word to you.
Because you're above it all,
Yeah.
ain't you? Yeah, you know it.
Qualified immunity, huh? You know what happens when you violate somebody's rights, bro? You lose your qualified immunity. You know that? Brady list. Notice how neither one of these other officers have said a word to us? You blew it. I didn't.
They're professional.
I said, bro, you're getting in the way.
I can get in your way, man.
Can you?
I can get in front of my traffic stop, dude. We're doing our job.
No,
You're not
bro.
out here videoing us.
All right, many of you that are new to our channels don't understand what this guy's talking about. he mentioned prior restraint. Let's read so we can explain exactly what it is so you guys have an understanding. The definition is judicial suppression of material that would be published or broadcast on the grounds that it is libelous or harmful. Prior restraint is related to journalism in that the news media is allowed to publish information free of government censorship. What we're looking at here is prior restraint. What do you guys think?
You are.
We're videoing because we can't get your video. Are you the lead on shift tonight?
I'm not, no.
Who is?
Sergeant Martin, Spencer.
Sergeant who?
Spencer.
Spencer?
Yep.
Okay. Can I talk to him?
Go for it. Call in.
No, call him here.
Nope.
Call him here.
You
I'm asking for a supervisor, bro. I'm asking for a supervisor and I want you to provide one.
I don't get to
Because your
provide
attitude
anything.
is trash.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
It is. Nobody's out here cussing at you.
Cussing at you, man.
You cussed. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's against your policy.
Oh man, that's a horrible bad word.
Okay, so you don't care. You don't care, huh?
So you're never gonna write a citation for fluid conversation?
No.
You wouldn't?
No.
I appreciate that.
I don't believe you. We're getting in my way, dude.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you're impeding my First Amendment, bro.
Dude, you're impeding our traffic stop.
I'm not. No, we're not. Nobody said anything
watch
to
you
you.
guys now, right?
What do you mean? You have ADD or something?
Yeah, man. You guys
Do
are
you?
safe. I don't know you.
You have ADD? Maybe you should find a new job then.
Mama, come here.
You should probably find a new job, bro.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, you probably should if you're gonna act like that. None of these other
Man,
deputies had a problem, bro.
Man.
Have we ever met you before?
No, we
Man,
haven't.
I tried not to talk to you guys.
Okay. Yeah.
You should have tried harder tonight.
He doesn't want to talk to me about that. That's a public service.
Yeah, that's a shitty public servant for sure.
You ought to make the payroll.
Do you have valid license so you can get to the vehicle? Can I get that from you?
It's Brenda Spear, right? Brenda, right? Yeah. She's smiling. We read her earlier.
Okay, good. Okay. Not yet. She's got to finish up some for pay for it. So, once they're done, they're just guys to report it. So they're okay. Don't worry about that.
Dude, what is this problem, man?
If all you guys want to hop in the car, stay late, or she's finished up the paper.
I'm gonna ask her to call us.
There's the third. We've got it. I'm never in the wrong one.
Yeah.
Oh, did they get a hold of his phone?
Yeah, I have it.
They downloaded all the shit.
Yep.
Wow, bro. Just let him leave without his stuff, huh?
No, they downloaded it.
Yeah. You're on point tonight, bro. Good God.
Yeah, they had to let the transfer finish.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think this was one of their phones.
Is?
Your phone. Right there.
Coxville.
The last
32. Did you run your canine on that vehicle? Did it hit? Okay, did they consent to a search? Bro, that was fucking ridiculous.
This might be supervisor.
Yeah.
Still don't paper, still walk that back up.
Yeah, beat it. Kick rocks, buddy. Good, man. How about you? Supervisor tonight?
What's that?
Are you a supervisor tonight?
I am.
I got a little, I'm Curtis.
Martin.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you. I've seen you before, I think.
Yes, sir. I had a little something with Coxville.
Okay.
32.
Okay.
How did it start? Oh, he kept moving in front of me to block me from filming. It's called prior restraint.
Oh, hold on. Yellow. Yep.
Yeah, you gotta hear his side first.
Okay. Not a problem. Okay. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Okay, bye.
Sergeant,
Yo.
you guys need anything else from me?
No, we're good. Thanks, man. Appreciate you. So, what's you
I just,
getting in your way?
yeah, man, he just kept going. I would move, he would move.
Okay.
I'd move, he would move. And I asked him, I was like, what are you doing, man? I was cool about it. It's on video.
Yeah.
And I asked him, I said, do you know what you're doing right now? You're blowing it. And he said, I'm just out here doing my traffic stop. I said, you're impeding my First Amendment right to film, bro.
Mm-hmm.
That's what you're doing.
Did he try and stop you from filming, or?
Yeah, he tried to block me.
Okay, so
He kept
just-
moving in my line of
wherever
sight.
your camera shot was.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And I moved, but just to prove the point, I moved. Just to me, really.
Mm-hmm. And then he
Before I even said anything, I went back and forth, back and forth. He kept moving. And then he cursed.
Okay, I'll take a look at his video.
Yeah. And I got a little amped. I didn't curse at him or anything.
He just escalated the situation.
He escalated the whole thing, man. And I just... I've never...
That's not what we're out here
Have you ever... Yeah. That's not what we're out here to do, man.
Yeah.
I've had some interactions where I got a little heated, yeah. But...
Yeah. Everybody does, right?
Yeah. But I was within the law. I don't break the law.
Okay.
And I just don't feel it's a good look for you guys
Okay.
to try to impede somebody's First Amendment right to film, man. We have a free right, or a right to free press here.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Absolutely.
And just the attitude. He's like, I can do what I want, pretty much. He didn't care.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So
Well,
not
we'll
really
take a look at it. And,
yeah.
And hopefully that won't. We'll see what we got, and
Yeah.
maybe I'll sit down with everybody and we'll say, hey, these
Yeah.
guys they're all right. Okay, as long as they stay back a fair distance.
right. And there is no distance.
No,
You know what I mean?
No,
So-
just whatever we feel is uncomfortable for us, I guess, or
Right.
impeding what we have to do.
And that's what he said, something about I was impeding the traffic stop, and I hadn't said a word, man, and I was probably what, 15 feet away, 20, I don't know, hadn't said a word. So I don't know.
Well,
And his attitude was trash, man. That's all. I mean, that's part of it, but also we have a right to be out here filming this. You know that.
Oh yeah.
So
We're on camera all the time, man. It doesn't matter to me if you're
right, and I've seen you a lot.
several times.
Yes, so you've never given me any slack or any flack. You've never got in my way, like on purpose. You know, I understand that you guys have a job to do,
Yeah.
and I don't hate cops.
Mhm.
It's not about that. So
I understand that.
I just want
Keeping
everybody to know
everybody-
their rights, man. You know what I mean?
Yeah. How about you?
And I do also have a concern. I really don't know how valid it is, but I do want to throw it out there. I don't know who was driving and who they have the right to search and who they have the right to just pat down.
Okay.
She asked the girl if she could pat her down, and then she was in her pockets.
Mhm.
So
Well, basically, if we get a dog hit,
they didn't hit.
did something because they searched it.
He said the dog didn't. Coxville just told me.
Well, I guess I'll go review the video and see what.
I don't know. I'm just raising concerns,
I
man.
understand.
You know what I mean? And I'm not out here hating on you guys. And
Like I said, I will go review the video and have a sit down with him
all right.
and see what deal was. All right, man?
Yeah, I appreciate it, man.
Sense?
Yep. Thank you, bud.
Hey, have a
Appreciate
good
you,
one.
man.
Have a great night, man.
Have a great one, man. Huh.
If I give you my card. And
Yeah, 100%, man.
Any issues,
Yep.
Give me a call when I'm working with them.
That'll work, man.
We appreciate you stopping by.
Yeah, absolutely,
He
man.
said that he
I always
wasn't.
stop by and check on my people anyway.
Right. Yep.
Well,
I
he
got
said
you.
that he wasn't going to.
He. Oh, that's another thing.
We asked him. if
I
he
asked
could
him to
have
call
it.
a supervisor,
Well, he doesn't
and
need
he
to.
told me.
Yeah, he said no.
Yeah, they don't have to.
But we appreciate you stopping by.
Yeah.
Well, I always try to, man.
Yeah.
You'll see me on most of my stops and my guys.
Yeah.
If I'm
Yeah.
working and my guys stop somebody,
Yeah.
I'm usually somewhere to say, hey, what's going on?
Right. Check on
Coffee
him.
or
I get it. Yeah, we're all human beings,
yeah,
man.
man.
So there isn't any. If a citizen asks for a supervisor, they don't have to call one.
Oh, no.
Really? Okay.
No, just because you ask for the manager doesn't mean you get one.
Yeah. You got to call in.
I mean, you can give us a call. You have my phone number.
Yep. Gotcha. I appreciate you coming out, man, and being cordial and doing your thing, man. I do. I really do.
I'm used to it. I go work sure just have cameras on me all the time.
Gotcha. Yeah. Yeah. You've never even. I mean, we've had a couple conversations, just real quick ones.
Yeah.
But no worries, man.
All right.
All right, man.
Appreciate it, man.
Thanks, Martin. Appreciate you, man. Yep. Might see you again.
Okay. My guys are working in town today pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah, they are.
Saturday before Super Bowl.
Yep.
A lot of people out and about.
Right. I hope you. Do you have to work it tomorrow?
Oh, yeah.
Well, shit.
Yeah. Well, what are you going to do? It's usually good for a DUI. Somebody will get
So there you go. Yep. There you go. Have a good one, man.
Officer Coxville violated several policies and also violated prior restraint. Coxville also swore at the cameraman for absolutely no reason. This cop is a problem, and he's more than likely looking to take a life soon if he hasn't already. He's dangerous, and I feel sorry for the unlucky people he comes across. This is officer conduct unbecoming. He needs to be reprimanded immediately and possibly fired. It also appears that they violated the people's rights when searching the vehicle. Whether the dog alerted or not, they didn't find anything. So if the dog alerted, it was a false alert. I'm not sure why cops are still using dogs considering false alerts are common. The supervisor had a good attitude. He also said he appreciated the videographers being there. But was he lying as well? Many of you can tell when a cop is lying. Some of you have a gift that can see exactly when cops lie as soon as they move their lips. Razor City Observers is a good dude. He's not out there to be a jackass. He's out there recording cops and being as professional as possible. That's what we like to see. I'm going to be dropping his channel link in the description and pinned comment as always. Make sure to go say hello and thank him for his great efforts. As promised, here is the police department's information in case you'd like to use it. Before we get out of here, I want to thank you for being the best kind of supporters the world has to offer. The difference between mainstream media and us is that we put the pressure on and we provide you the information to redress your government. We don't have fans here, we have supporters. We're a community. Thank you. See you guys on the next video. We're already working on it.